Hi, I'm Dr. George Pianka. I'm with the Hudson Valley Bone and Joint Surgeons, and I want to spend a few moments just discussing various hand conditions that may become more symptomatic or more prominent in this cold winter season that's approaching. In the summer, we're very active. We like to play sports. We like to take a walk on the beach. Wintertime is a good opportunity to perhaps do a assessment of our bodies, and I will focus on the hands with regard to tune-ups. Just like any mechanical object, your automobile, your bicycle needs a tune-up once in a while. I think it's a good time over the winter season to reassess our condition, whether it's the lower extremity, upper extremity, to see if something needs to improve now that we're less busy in the winter. Winter, with the colder weather, often makes some conditions more symptomatic. For example, patients may feel that they have a form of Raynaud's, which is a circulatory problem to their hands. And in fact, that may be wrong. It may be a manifestation of carpal tunnel syndrome, which often can be exacerbated or worsened in the winter seasons with the cold weather. And various tendinitis conditions can be more symptomatic. We tend to get cramping and tight muscles, and perhaps the cold weather makes that more symptomatic. So wintertime is a good opportunity to reassess our bodies and see if some maintenance or some tune-up has to be done. It's a good idea to get evaluated. There are various non-painful diagnostic studies that we can do besides the physical examination. Now we have very high-tech ultrasound imaging that can help us assess tendons, joints, and various conditions that helps us fine-tune a condition. Many doctors are using ultrasound to diagnose rotator cuff tears compared to going for an MRI. It's done in the office. It's relatively straightforward, and it can save a lot of time and aggravation in going into a scanner. So these are just some examples of different conditions. Even arthritis, for example, can become more symptomatic in the wintertime. I know we don't want to take any time out in the summer to do any of these things because we're more busy, but since the cold weather is approaching, I think it's a good opportunity to see if we can make our hands or arms, elbows, shoulders work better for us. And if something has to be done by chance, then there's time to recover for the warmer weather, spring and summer.